Convertkit's email editor can significantly enhance your communication strategy. First, make sure you're logged in to your Convertkit account. If you're already there, great. If not, head over to the login page and sign in. Once you're in, navigate to either broadcast for one-time emails or sequences if you plan on setting up an automated series. This is critical because it sets the tone for the type of email communication you'll be crafting. Next, click on the New Email button to open the email editor. Now, you'll choose between the Classic and Modern editor. The Classic editor is excellent for those who prefer a plain text style, focusing on minimal distractions and higher deliverability rates. Creators widely favor this for its from me to you feel, making your emails seem more personal and engaging. On the other hand, the Modern editor allows you to add more formatting, including inline images, buttons, and custom styling, still keeping things lightweight. Consider what your audience prefers. Sometimes less is more, but some messages need that extra touch. Once you've made your choice, it's time to master the basics. Start with crafting a compelling subject line. Keep it short, personal, and aimed at sparking curiosity. This is your first opportunity to grab attention. In the body content, write as if you're speaking to one individual rather than addressing a crowd. It's more personable and gets better results. Don't forget to personalize your emails using tags, like including the subscriber's name with the code subscriber.firstname. This little touch can make a big difference in engagement. Use formatting tools to your advantage. Bold, italics, links, lists, and dividers can help in making your key points stand out. Always preview your email to see how it looks on both desktop and mobile views before you hit send. This ensures everyone on your list receives the best version of your message, no matter what device they use. Enhancing your emails with visuals and buttons can make them more engaging, but remember to keep the design simple. Convertkit emails tend to perform better when they don't appear overly complex. Insert inline images or GIFs to grab attention, and utilize call to action buttons to encourage signups or purchases, but avoid cluttering your email with too much design heavy lifting. Utilize snippets and templates to save time and ensure consistency in your email branding. Snippets are reusable content blocks, great for saving common elements like signatures or disclaimers. Email templates allow you to maintain a cohesive look across all your communications, reflecting your brand's identity through custom fonts, colors, and headers. To optimize for deliverability, avoid overloading your emails with images. Use a plain text style where feasible, and ensure all links work properly. And never forget to include a clear unsubscribe option to meet compliance standards and maintain trust with your subscribers. Finally, the last stop before sending is testing. Send a test email to your